everybody, this is a video of some little Shiba babies. I've got 3 boys and 2 little girls in this group. This little girl right over here, her name is Raylynn. Raylynn is a little black and white tri, absolutely beautiful. And these puppies are 5 weeks old, so you may not see just a whole lot of personality in these puppies yet, but it's little Raylynn. And then this little girl right here, this is Rain. Rain is a little red and white. Very, very pretty babies. These babies are offered to you by Bear Hound Shibas. These are AKC registered Shiba Inus. There's Rain. And then this little guy right here, this is Rolo. Rolo is cream. Absolutely precious. It's Raylynn and Rolo. This little guy right here, this is Rocky. Rocky is a little black and white tri. Hey you, hey you. And then that little guy, that's Ryan. Ryan is the one that's sitting there by Rain. And like I said, these guys are still babies. They still have a lot of maturing and social skills to gain. So don't judge too soon on the personality. I mean, we still have a long way to go here. But I promise by the time these puppies are ready for their forever homes, they'll be full of confidence. That's so sweet. Brother and sister. Is that called brotherly love? Is that brotherly love? So cute. These two are getting ready to take a nap. These are the little Shibas.